Hi, this is Poppy, Caffeine and BS for May 6th, 2019. Nicole, when you watch this, call home and let me know a convenient time for you to be at home watching YouTube so I can try live streaming. Someone's got to be on the other end waiting to watch. And you, darling daughter-in-law, are elected. So, call. Okay? Oh, and your mom says she's going to call you as soon as she mails off your birthday present. You know your mom. What can I say? Anyway, that's I'm getting out in the shop. I'm going to shoot a bunch of JPEGs and 20-second videos of using my magnum opus shearline compound with dial indicator attached. Video coming.